headlines. MLA Y Irabot submits resignation letter, joins BJP officially. Good afternoon and welcome to ISTV News. Now to news in detail. The veteran Congress leader and MLA of Wangkai Assembly constituency, Yungkam Irabot, who left the ruling Congress party, officially joined BJP today. He had submitted his resignation from being MLA and Congress primary membership today. The BJP party accorded a warm welcome at a reception function held at the party office at Nitya Pat Chutek, including President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, KSS Bhavananda, ex-President T.S. Chauba, MLA of Thongzu Assembly constituency T.S. Biswajit, MLA of Thamaiban Assembly constituency K.H. Joykishan, and many other BJP leaders. A large number of supporters, block, wood level Mahila Morcha members took out a procession from the residence of the MLA at Kurai Ahongai to BJP office and later announced his officially joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. At the reception function for joining the BJP Manipur Pradesh Party, President KSS Bhavananda enthusiastically informed that the veteran politician MLA Yungkam Irabot was 6 times winner in election and appointed minister many times of Wangkai Assembly constituency, is an honest, enthusiast and optimistic person who has high integrity mind of motherland. He added that a leader and a person like Irabot joining the BJP party clearly show that there is no place for a person like him to stay with the corrupted Congress party. During the last 15 years under the ruling of Congress government, it fails to take up any developmental policy and program for the welfare of the people of the state, which vividly indicate that the party is no longer a suitable one to hold the government. He emphasized that Congress party is tantamount to relative development society which look for taking advantages by using hands of some vested interest engineering shell. He calls People's Corporation to extend help in eliminating the Congress government, which is a corrupted one, from the soil of Manipur.
adegi ima iben singi punsigi yaifana naba natraga school anang singi ko school chali anang singi natraga private school singi chali anang singi kari abura policy program kari packet priyaw lage moire aina maramata haijar udini moire kawri bisidi engineering cell mayam si kunjalaga IFCD PACD PWD mayam si kunjalaga moire de achowa engineering cell ma
Speaking at the function, convener of State Election Management Committee T.S. Chauba spoke about why the people fail to have faith on the Congress party and how the wave of the BJP government will empower the state.
I queen a hajan banate Congress party masana hajare Kanana Bhai President Oriba Yangin Charuina spokesperson Juina Ladiba Siripiri Nangarang High Crane Congress Party Apaba Basni Garini Achobo Basni Machina Tori but diverted on the Soida Mita E Naharon Mayam Takare Nupi Mayam Takare Hypergate Tadikarino Congress Party at the Yaurba Driver Sikanano Head of the state Sinatra Punamak Singado Madubu Yade Sri Yungkam Irabot.
Manipur ki political scenario da political heavy weight amani ana longna badana tana Congress ki oina senior leader amasu oi biriba Y Irabot na Congress party thadu omduna BJP de changkiba haibase yamna chawu wahang ama oiri ngarang maktada Congress ki spokesperson su oi biriba MLA N Biren masamangna luchingba sinningbagi wapam phongdokhiba asina o kram ibu wina luchingba Congress government asigi leadership ase yamna chawna aikogi penadaba leirabara haibase achobo wahang ama oina hoji chongthorokpada natana Congress party ase mache thongna karakpa yabagi oithokpasu hojik oiriba phibam asina adumak taksaraba wapamne Laliva Takara Simanunda, Manipuri political scenario, the Kari Ohoma Lakadagi Hybrid Miam Naibiki Batari, Ajit Sermagaluna Pogdamde, Batiam Ranjan, Kuraya Hongai Infal.
It is also reported that the MLA has also submitted his resignation letter to the State Assembly today. No report of consensus from the Speaker has been received so far. As the 11th State Assembly election is nearing, many members of different political parties are joining other parties in order to support their candidates. 2 ward members of Kaching Municipal Council and 18 CPI supporters of Kaching Assembly constituency have joined the Congress party. The Kaching Block Congress Committee has felicitated the new members and workers of the committee at the office of the committee at Kaching Market. MLA Y. Surchandra, President of Block Committee Khetrimayong Ibohol, Chairperson of Kaching Municipal Council M. Inakunbi and many Congress councillors were also present at the felicitation program. Addressing the gathering, MLA Surchandra said the Congress party welcomes those who have joined the party believing in party's ideology.
Kaching Kendra Sigi Soragi, Roy Maki,
MLA of Moirang Assembly constituency M. Prithviraj has accused the BJP-led government in India for the rise in price of commodities in the markets across the country. He said the price of commodities is following an ascending mode ever since the BJP came to power at the centre. He said this while attending a formal function of the formation of a new election campaign committee of Ward number 8 of Moirang Municipal Council today. Ex-councillor of the ward M. Rokojit, Marianbam Achoba, Maibam Samu, Philem Achoba and many others were also present at the function. Addressing the gathering, MLA M. Prithviraj alleged Prime Minister Narendra Modi hasn't kept his promise that he met before election. He said the Prime Minister did not keep the promise that he will credit 15 lakh rupees to the accounts of the poor people after recovering black money within 100 days. On the other hand, speaking about the ensuing election, the MLA appealed to the people to understand which candidate makes selfless effort to take up developmental work for the benefit of the people. Rajya Sabha MP Haji Andul Salam extends his heartiest wish to the people of Manipur, especially the Muslims brethren, on the occasion of Eid-ul-Juha, the biggest festival of the Muslims. He wished may the festival bring peace, love, harmony, tranquility and strengthened the bond of brotherhood among all the communities. All Manipur Muslims Mitei Pangal Welfare Association, Lilong Political Unified Link and AMESCO wished the people of Manipur a prosperous and happy Eid-ul-Juha. MLA of Kumbi Assembly Constituency S. Bira opened Lamjing Mera Coaching Center, a free coaching center for students at Saiton Gram Panchayat today. It is informed that at the said coaching center, students between class 7 to 10 for subjects like science, social science, mathematics and English were felicitated. Around 110 students will be provided free coaching class facility in 2 shifts, that is morning and afternoon. MLA S. Bira said the free coaching center has been opened to help the students acknowledging the lagging behind in education sector in Torbung GP and Saiton GP. In the opening day, ward member of Saiton GP M. Ibomcha, president of Saiton Congress Committee M. Babu were also present. Even though authority concerned and many leaders paid visit to inspect the 50-bedded Mori hospital situated at border town Mori, but still people are facing a lot of inconveniences in getting treatment at the hospital as it lacks infrastructures. It may be worth mentioning that Operation Theatre are ought to provide 24/7 power supply, but at the hospital it fails to do so. While on one side there is no water supply facility available at the hospital. Among the 2 X-ray machines available, the bigger one is not working since the last 6 years. However, after malfunction of the step-up machine of power, the X-ray machine cannot be used during morning and afternoon and is able to use only after 6 in the evening. So hardly people of the area used to go at Tamu Hospital if X-ray is needed for any kind of treatment. On top of that, the entrance of the hospital is lying in a bad shape that during rainy seasons people face untold hardship in bringing patients at the hospital. People at the area drew the attention of the authority concerned to look into the matter and take up a concrete step and fill up the lapses of the hospital at the earliest. In today's People's Voice, Miyamgi Kolau, a person from Ithai Kuno identified as K. Gyaneshwar Kuman, expressed his views and condemning the alleged insensitive attitude of the government relating to the ensuing inner land permit system movement in the state. Here is what he says.
Jenims the Pangtokiba Torom Amada Manipurgi losing Basangara Deputy CM Gekam Haiki Wapam Yalomi Kanaba Bilasi Zesi ILP Magitigi Hariba deadline September Gitang Kun Matoyasi Odrabasu Miam Nabuyana Badi government Matamamata the Hect the House Asi recommend Toduna Bill Asi Putokani Haina Hari Wapamasi Yamna Paza Wapam Warabasu Yalomi Singu Nusijaba Yalomi Singu Kanba Pamjaba Muising the negative sense though and a low to begin Wapam like day Madam de Lambda Masi proof Kuntragani Toy Henbana Kundaduna Laminer Balandamni Magi Apamba Amadi Aningbagi Matung in a Manipur Sarkar Amadi India government demand Kea Tanduna Lariba Lamdam Amasuni Punsin Bayadana Mana Apamba Toning but the Tauduna Lariba Iram the Manipur Sida Yanadi Amadi Yanaroi Kangna Prajamiam Mot Logani Prajamiam Nabuyana Badi Atu Matam the Billasi Past Togani Hibawapam Asidi Utagi Hibugum Tokani Masidi Rajantigi Oibawapamni Prajamiam Hazapam Tokte Kariguma Tamoishan Sarkana Prajamiamgi Amadi Propsing Yaipana Kanbiduna Atuba Matamda Yanadriba Nakan Aniasi Yananaba Hanjina Hono Bona Pagani Ningsay Maduna Tradana Rajanti Olazina Bot Comet Nungaina Pungai the Hajin Basidi Mamaida Prajamiam Saroctona Horoctona Jun 18 Gumatodo Amuk Tololo Hania Late.
A total of 12 executive members of OBC Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh were appointed. P. Foni Meitei, R.K. Nongren Khomba and L. Birzit were appointed as Vice President, Mohammad Kiamuddin as General Secretary respectively. And now the headlines once again. MLA Y. Irabod submits resignation letter, joins BJP officials. That's all for now and keep watching ISTV News Update.